underlying all of that lift strategy are those processes that need to go in. And then, because you can't run data in isolation, and that's a huge problem in all sorts of industries, you need to talk to everything. To that point, iasset would normally sit inside the middle of an operation. We'll talk to ERP systems because ERP don't carry a lot of POS data. Some don't even carry serial numbers or contract detail. So you take whatever information you can from ERP about the financial transaction. You might talk to a CRM system if you're handling opportunities through, such as a salesforce.com platform. So you communicate with it, and then you communicate with a support desk type operation like ServiceNow or Manage Engine or any of those. And where we'd connect with those ones is you'd have sale was made, we'd tell ERP the detail if we're the master of that transaction. We'd then tell the support desk system what we've sold so that all of the serial number information, contract details are populated automatically inside that database from a support point of view. We'd expect in return that if a serial number changed or something changed at a customer site, that it would update us so that when your renewal or protect phase comes around, you've got up-to-date information rather than, oh, this serial number doesn't exist anymore. And then finally, probably one of the biggest opportunities is where a lot of manufacturers have dial home systems, so storage arrays. The manufacturer knows typically when a storage array is going to run out of storage based on the analytics of how the customer is consuming it. So it makes a huge amount of sense to connect us to those dial home systems because it can trigger iasset to actually get a channel partner, or if it's a channel partner running it, receive it from the manufacturer, to go out and actually with the next array before the customers even realize that they're going to run out of storage. And it could, there's a whole bunch of other things. There's phone systems and all sorts of things that you can do it with. But really, you can't run your data in isolation anymore. And anyone that is running in isolation, or customers, quite often customers or prospects come to us and say, we really want to run iasset.com, but we're not going to connect it to anything. I say, we really don't want to sell it to you because you will not keep up with the data flows that are going on in today's world.
Because they don't want to connect anything to their network. The IT guys are saying that, but they're not realizing that they're actually taking away.
Well, there's challenges. Well, there's multiple challenges. If you're a smaller reseller, sometimes they don't have the ability to present the API if they've got a bigger system. If they're running smaller things like Xero, which are more popular these days, that's okay. We've already got the pipes into those, so it's just a matter of turning it on for them. But really, you've got to mash all of that data together. And what iasset will do is will become a massive single source of truth because all of the data sets that are coming from manufacturers, distributors, resellers, ERP, maintenance type desks, cloud consumption, billing files, all these dial home systems are all sitting there in the one record, so that when you do your invest or you protect or you surrender, you are doing something intelligent with all of the information presented to you, not just a siloed piece.
And it's your data, you're seeing it, you're managing it, no one else is seeing it. Or when you say we talk to, you're talking about APIs. You're talking about interconnected.
Well, more critically, it's two-way APIs.
So you're moving your data around so that it can be used for something other than what it was originally used for. Rather than sitting there doing nothing, you're actually now delivering on the promise that says data is the new gold.
Yeah, well, I think we ran a series of LinkedIn statements some time ago that was really, we make ERPs more intelligent, we make Salesforce.com more intelligent, we make the support desks more intelligent, and dial home systems, the data is actually consumed and used, whereas at the moment, it just tells some techie in a big help desk that they're going to run out of storage.